Surprise, surprise, what's up everybody? It is Space Donks, my time, New York, coming at you live. What is up? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. I know you are if you're a Dogecoin or cryptocurrency holder. The excitement is in the air. Yes, Dogecoin is at 25 cents. No problem, we'll get to 30 plus. Mark my words. If you go back a couple of live streams, quite a few, back in August, I'm proud that I predicted the crypto rally coming for fall, fourth quarter 2021. I'm in a different location, so if I sound different right now, this is why. I hope I got some people coming in because I'm at a different time, but you can't say that you are not happy if you are not an investor in Dogecoin or your favorite cryptos, because they're looking good today. We got an ETF coming out. What's up, Andrew? How you doing? Max L in the building. Nathan Sayers from Canada. Max L from the Netherlands. Andrew Becerra, I forget where you are. Good morning. It is morning, technically morning. We are almost at 12 a.m. Sorry, p.m. my time. But what is up? So some people who find this channel, they discover it, they're going to go through my videos, they're not going to know anything, and they're going to think I have zero credibility, but they will change their mind when I go to fall crypto rally titles, and then I'm predicting that, and then other predictions I've made that come true. Of course, you don't always get it right, but I think we've been doing pretty good here. We're going to have a lot of volatility. As you know, Bitcoin has had even an 80% volatility range, which is redonkulous, right? But look, guys, I think those days are ending, and look what's happening here. We have an ETF here. Sorry if I'm distracted. I'm not looking at the screen right now. I'm reading off some news right here as I got CNBC live in my ear because I want to hear what they're talking about, just to see what's going on as far as the Dow goes and other things go. But right now, about Backed is a digital asset platform. It goes public today. It's an ETF. We got a Bitcoin ETF. We got so much things going on. So let me talk about this digital asset marketplace that enables consumers to buy and sell and send and spend crypto. This is this SPAC, right? Starting as a cryptocurrency custodian that holds Bitcoins for big investors. I believe this is just the beginning, and crypto will continue to keep. I'm holding, I'm not playing. So the notable partnerships of this backed digital asset platform, partners are big. Google, Finastra, Choice Hotels. That's just the beginning. So there's a lot going on. This digital asset marketplace is going public, and the backed SPAC is there, and it's happening, and things are moving forward. So what is up? Yeah, totally. Let's share this on Twitter. Oh, I appreciate that. I'm gonna share this on right now, actually, on StockTwits. So I know it's a smaller channel. It doesn't have much momentum, but I'm trying, I'm just doing my thing here as we continue to grow. I'd rather grow the channel slowly. Just a regular, not a financial advisor, just like you. An investor. I invest in cryptocurrency, and yes, I got Dogecoin. That's what it all started on this channel, under a penny. I said it's time to make a channel about my hobby and what I do, my investments, and what I do with my portfolio. So yeah, I'm glad you're all here. Heidi B, what's going on? Has anyone borrowed from Coinbase using Bitcoin as collateral to buy more crypto? I haven't. Anyone out there, if you want to share, that would be cool. Los Angeles in the building. There you go. Andrew is representing Los Angeles. Alan in the building. What's going on? Yes, sir. What's good, Space? Max L, big on the node. Next node update gonna be good for Doge. New lower fees, very important. Very important. Now, if you recall, it's psychological, as we always talk about with our investments and stuff on our journey of investing and holding our favorite or flipping, whatever you guys do to make money, whatever people do to make money. But a lot of us are big believers in Dogecoin. A lot of us, when Dogecoin doesn't look strong, a lot of people start to worry. They start to get panicked. And back when we were at 18, 19, I was saying, hey, it's going to be no problem, 24, 25 cents. We will see that again. As a matter of fact, one of the people here in the community was coming in here, and they were worried. They were like, hey, I got my Doge. I think it was at 24 or 25 cents. I remember that specifically. This person came in. I don't remember their name. And they were asking me, what should I do? Should I sell? I said, whatever you do. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would not sell Dogecoin red or anything that you really believe in, because I think based on the numbers and from what we're seeing with Dogecoin, the way it behaves in crypto, in general, it's going to go back up to 25 cents. Of course. So, yeah, Amsterdam in the building. What's going on all the way from Europe? I was actually in Europe a few weeks ago. Wish I was back there. I'm in New York right now. So, LT Jones in the building. Let's go, Doge. Don't sleep on Doge. Doge is 20. It's going to be 30 cents again. Absolutely. I would be shocked if it doesn't. I mean, we're going to get there. So, there's a lot of positivity going on right now. A lot of electric in the air with cryptocurrency, as we have the SPAC that's out today, as we have what looks like a great, amazing rally here. We got Bitcoin over 60, has nothing to do with Tesla, accepting payment. We have Doge at 25 cents. We have Ethereum looking super strong at $3,700 plus dollars. Amazing times for investors. What do you want to do? By the way, I just want to throw this in here. Virgin Galactic took a hit on Friday. That's because of a failed space launch. If you're holding Virgin Galactic like I am, never worry. It is lower. It's a great buy, in my opinion, because anytime there's a canceled flight, you're going to get Virgin Galactic dropping. So I'm holding that long term. That's just what I do. So things, Samantha Mitchell in the building. What's going on? Hey, Space Donks. We're here. Look at it. Check it out. We're here. We're celebrating this day because this is another record comeback for Dogecoin. And as we're going forward, we're making our little own mini benchmarks, if you will, so to speak, with Dogecoin, because this is the first year Dogecoin is above a penny. So when looking back over an entire span of 12 months to 24 months and so forth, we're gonna look back at like our favorite crypto like Dogecoin, and we're gonna have some marks, we're gonna have places to go back to, and we're going to study the charts, and we're going to say, oh, look what it did here and why did it do this. It gives us more analytics, if you will. It gives us more analysis data points where we could actually look at why crypto is moving up. Why did Dogecoin perform this way where Bitcoin was at? Let's make an example. Like a few days ago, Bitcoin first hit 59 and Doge wasn't going up as fast. It wasn't hitting 23, 24 yet. It was kind of floating at 22, and then boom, we're over 60. A couple days, it looks like Bitcoin's solid, and now Dogecoin decides to stay above where it's at right now, which is really good. Staying above the 24 cent mark. Of course, there will be volatility. It can go back down and around, of course, but the good news is that it did recover, and it looks like it's consolidating right now in a good way. So yeah, it's your boy Space Dogs. And what else? There's so many things going on. Bitcoin, I really believe it's going to go over 100,000 per coin, which is crazy, knowing that in March 2020 it went all the way back down, lost so much, but that was because of how was it going to perform during a Black Swan event in our lifetime. How is the crypto going to perform? So it did recover, as we could see, and then it went beyond and it made all-time highs. So we could see after that, Dogecoin in the year January 2021 this year went up to new highs, and it's huge. I think it will, again, like Bitcoin, see new highs again. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm really pumped up. I got this in my ear right now. I'm listening to the radio show. It's like a radio show. It's actually MSNBC. I don't hear them talking about anything there either. They're talking about stocks. So, yeah. So Bitcoin mining is decentralizing, according to CoinDesk, and they have proof. Mining has moved out of China. Is this good for Bitcoin? Based on a metric, at least, the answer is a resounding yes. I concur. I think that would be good. There's a lot of thought out there, fear, uncertainty and doubt, and a lot of people are talking about, hey, Bitcoin is going to go back to zero. I don't believe any of this nonsense. I just wanted to come on because things are doing so good. I just wanted to make a quick video today from a different location because I got my laptop with me. I don't know if you could tell. Do you hear it? Does it sound different in my voice as I'm talking to you? Or do I sound the same as always? It's a different location. So the good news is everything looks like it's working good here. I got a good connection. So yeah, I wanted to do this. Yeah, Max. Really, Dogecoin, there's going to be so much FOMO coming in again. The FOMO is going to be great. Fear of missing out is going to kick in, and people are going to there's going to be a lot of buyers again. And as Bitcoin starts to recover up even higher, I think it's going to definitely go to new highs. I think that Dogecoin and a lot of other like Ethereum and other cryptos are going to go through the roof. A lot of them, some will be behind. There's so many new cryptos that are coming out seemingly every day, so a lot of those aren't going to do that well, but there's going to be a few like well-known ones like Dogecoin, Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and so many influencers are backing, and it's just so popular that it's going to just really, I think in the long term be a lot higher than where it's at right now. That is Dogecoin. So it's looking beautiful. I'm loving this. So this is a really exciting day for me because I've been waiting for this. Sounds like your voice got deeper. That's about it. Oh, this is my natural voice. That's crazy. It's a little deeper. I guess it all depends where you are, right? Maybe because it's the morning. I have no idea. And I'm all talked out by the afternoon. So I'm gonna just hang out here a little bit, and it's gonna be fun. This is fun. So anyone out there getting that SPAC, I wonder how many of you are getting that SPAC. There's let me check this SPAC out real quick. I'm just curious myself. I don't actually have it. So yeah, it's called Backed. It's a digital asset marketplace that enables consumers to buy, sell, and spend crypto. So there might be a few more of these coming out because, in my opinion, because there's so many things going on with cryptocurrency, and it's just too big right now to go away. Cryptocurrency looks like, so when someone says, oh, it's like the 1800s or whatever, the tulips, they pumped it up and it caught fire, and then these are not plants. I'm sorry. It's not a plant. It's not a tulip craze. Those bears that want to put that BS out there, they can only dream about Bitcoin and other cryptos because they short it, right? Going to nothing because they want to, short it. So they can only dream about that. I don't think so. I think we're in a really good position here, and Dogecoin is going to continue to glisten. And here we go as you receive my transmission. I'm looking at some news right now as I can get it in here. Let's see what's going on. Forgive me, I'm taking a sip of my Mars water, and I got fresh espresso here. So, yeah, this is looking really amazing. I think that people keep asking me, when do you think, like, I predicted, of course, I gave my 2 cents. I predicted a few times. I thought we'd have a full crypto rally for various reasons. But, easily I'll admit I could have been wrong about that, but so happens that it looks like I'm right. But people always ask me, they want specific numbers. Like, oh, when do you think Dogecoin will hit 25 cents? Like, I was like, who knows? But I think before December 2021, I believe I said. I mean, when does Dogecoin hit $1? I mean, who really knows that? What kind of things are going to happen? What kind of catalysts are going to drive Dogecoin to $1? I think that every week, every month that goes by, more and more positive things are happening. Like Max L said, more speed, nodes, more businesses employing Dogecoin, more people like Mark Cuban pushing Dogecoin to the top by utilizing it in their businesses, and more good news and stuff like this, I think drives it up. But yeah, so anyway, I know a lot of you guys are busy, and I know I don't have a lot of people in here right now. It's just not the time, I guess, or place for me at this time, but I wanted to come on and do this live stream at 12 p.m. talking about this. But maybe I'll come back later today, or I'll probably just make a video, maybe a pre-produced video on what's going on and giving my thoughts and sharing some things that I'm thinking that are coming up, my ideas. And I have a lot of really good, I believe, solid ideas about where crypto's going for the future. Yeah. So what else is going on? I just want to look at this real quick. Apple is at 145, which is really good. I just want to peek at AMC real quick. I know it stinks. I should have it on screen. AMC is at 43. I think it's going to take a while. I think that all of a sudden it could just boom, launch up like Game did out of nowhere, because it's been going like this for a while, where it's at right now in the 30s and 40s, and there's a lot of hype behind AMC. Also, I have some breaking news, if you will. I know someone in upper management. I can't unfortunately say their name, obviously, but I did really. It's a source. It's a credible source. And what they're telling me that AMC is setting up for Bitcoin, accepting Bitcoin all the way in as payment in 2022. Later in 2022, they're working on it right now. This is someone that I should make a one-off video about it, that literally works in upper management at AMC. True story. We just had this conversation, and I think it's really positive to know that. That's just going to be another thing where a major company's accepting crypto. It's going to be great. So, all right, everyone, I'm going to get out of here. I really appreciate the support, you guys being here, just as I wanted to come on here, make this quick live stream and talk to you all, see how everybody's doing. It's really a shame that I have 13,000 subscribers and nobody really watches my videos. I might have to come on here and do unfortunately, I know how YouTube works, so I'm gonna probably, for me to grow this channel, I'm probably, if I am, I mean, I really don't care. It's fun to come on here, even if I'm talking to one person, to be honest. But if I want to grow this channel, truth be told, you have to be very outrageous with titles and thumbnails. That's the only really true way to get really big. You got to stand in your thumbnail, and you got to have arrows and stuff like that, and that's just the way that goes out. So if you want to grow a financial channel, that applies. For the most part, you definitely have to have a lot going on as far as show, and you got to title things a certain way. But we'll see what happens if I do that. What's up, Melvin Thomas? What's going on, baby? How you doing? What's going on, Melvin Thomas? Hitting the room. Maybe I'll go a couple more minutes here. I'm just looking at this, how interesting this looks. Bitcoin is going up, and it's been holding over 60. Doge is really, this is so big, everyone. It really is positive that Dogecoin is floating here around. It just launched up this morning, and look at that. It's doing its thing. Hey, Samantha Mitchell, I appreciate that super chat. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Samantha Mitchell from Louisiana. Thank you for the early live chat. Absolutely. And you're on screen right there. Appreciate that. Boom. So, this is really positive. Actually, let me log into my Robinhood account right now on my computer. I have it on my phone, but I'd rather get on the computer here. So maybe I can grab something. You're gonna hear a text message in the background. It's gonna ask for a code that I have to put in to get my Robinhood to log into it on the computer. So yeah, I think a lot of people were panicked though, and you know, it's understandable with crypto. But people like myself would come on here, and we would, as Dogecoin holders specifically, talk about why we're not selling right now at the moment, and why we're holding long term most of our Dogecoin, and why we think Dogecoin is going to go back up. So here we are. It looks like it's coming into fruition. A lot of the things we discussed, and it's looking really good right now as far as the recovery here for Dogecoin. I just want to look at the chart real quick of Dogecoin's weekly chart. I want to look at the low point here, and then look at a high point, and look at, for my own reasons, look at Bitcoin, because I'm curious as well how it's performing. So Dogecoin was at 21 cents October 12th at 8 a.m. That's not too long ago. Here we are, October 18th, and it's great. It started going up today at 2 a.m. and boom, here we are overnight. It went from literally October 17th, 3 a.m. PM, it was at 23 cents, and it shot up to, wow, at 26. It was as high as 26 at October 18th at 5 a.m. this morning. 26 cents. So don't sleep. If you're coming in here later on a rewind video and you're thinking, oh my God, it's too late. I missed Doge going to 26 cents and I want to grab Doge, and it's too late. It's not going to go back there. You're crazy. It's going to recover. It's going to go beyond 26 cents without a doubt. I'm telling you, it's going to happen. Dogecoin will definitely go very high. It will come back, and it's just a matter of patience. Diamond hands all the way. HODL. So if you look at the way it was performing with Bitcoin, it wasn't at first, it wasn't going up high with Bitcoin. It really wasn't. And then it just now it did. People are realizing that Bitcoin is looking like, for now, it's staying above the 50s. So that's really positive, really bullish. Both charts are looking very bullish. they're all looking the crypto market is looking bullish. A friend texted me the other day what they wanted to know because they invest as well. Let me just read this real quick. Melvin, it says, I have seen your other stuff and now know what you look like now. You know what I look like? You've seen me. Am I you're telling me I am some type of famous person that you actually know what I look like? Are you sure about that, bro? I'm working laying concrete on the driveway, so I can't type much right now, but you don't look like your voice. Oh, that's curious. Hey man, this is my voice. I don't know how you're supposed to look as far as well, I'll tell you this, Melvin, all my life, most recently I did a McDonald's audition. All my life, they told me, hey, your voice is something, you know, when I would like sign with agents and stuff like that. Your voice is very unique and stuff like that too. So I don't know how one is supposed to look with their voice, but if you've never seen people with raspy voices, like who has a really raspy voice? All right, Al Pacino maybe? I don't know. If you didn't know what he looked like, would you think he sounded like that? You know what I mean? So it's, who knows? Everybody's unique, right? We're all unique. So I don't look like I sound, but hey, I sound like I look in reality, I guess, because I am who I am, Melvin. So it's all good, baby. I know. I've been told I sound like anywhere from Nas the rapper to Alec Baldwin, I've been told, and Steven Tyler. I mean, I get a wide range of people, but if you go back to it all, it's raspiness with the New York accent that I try to shake off sometimes. Anyway, that's another story. Melvin. Hey, Melvin, you are one of many that make the world operate in a great way. You're out there working hard, and I appreciate you, man. You're out there laying concrete on a driveway, and you're listening to me. You found the channel while you're laying concrete, Melvin, so you know you are definitely appreciated here. Someone, you know, you're coming in here on a work day, and you're like, hey, I'm laying concrete, but I'm checking you out. And you can't type that much. Well, I'm glad. Where are you at? I'll figure out what state you're in. I assume the weather's good. If you're laying concrete today here in New York, it is a sunny day. It's definitely feeling like fall. There's a chill in the air and there's excitement in the air with crypto blazing. Is crypto amazing? Absolutely. Am I a believer in crypto? 100%. I wouldn't be doing this right now. Talking about I wouldn't put my hard-earned money into crypto and invest it and take the chance. Next year, Doge 1 will go to space. And this time, I think Doge will go over the $1, I hope. Marcel S, what's up? Yeah, well, that's going to be a huge catalyst. And it depends, you know, what that coincides with. You know, there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes. There's a lot of very rich people and people, just retail investors that are very, very excited about cryptocurrency. And you know how it is. Those 1%ers, they want to get paid. Baltimore in the building. There it is. So yes, you're definitely in a nice weather out there today. Northeast Philadelphia in the house. What's going on, Mr. Tanker? What's going on, baby? So if you look at this, seriously, there's a lot of people, there's so much excitement around crypto, and there's a lot of super rich people as well as retail investors like us that are excited, and they're going to be buyers. I think FOMO even at 70,000. You know what I'm happy about with Bitcoin. I said it's going to go to 60, and I don't know how much sell-off they're going to be. I know people will be taking profits. What I'm excited about is it didn't go to 60 and hover around 60 and continue. There was a fight. It broke through and go back down to 58, 57, then go back to 60 and go back down. We, for a few days now, an entire weekend, have stabilized. We have ascended to 60 here, and it's over 60, and Dogecoin buyers woke the F up. Seriously, they woke up. They're seeing right now that Dogecoin, like I was saying, even when it went back to the teens, are you crazy? It's so famous. So many people are into it. There's huge influencers behind it, like Mark Cuban and Elon Musk at the top. They are pushing this thing. It's got so much name brand recognition, and it's a very attractive crypto for first-time buyers. People are just getting out of college. People are just getting into this, or people that have not delved into the crypto market. They're like, oh my God, Bitcoin's so much. Even when you get fractional shares, like I said, it's psychological. They'd be more likely to grab Dogecoin. Oh my God, let me get this Dogecoin. Look how high it was. And wow, it's going to the moon when they find more things literally going to outer space, right? when they find out about this, I believe they're going to buy more and more of it. FOMO's going to set in, and we can definitely see a breakout for Dogecoin. Like it says, one crypto market analyst says Dogecoin could rally 1,000% in the coming months. Okay, well, that's just one. Then, with any analyst, you have conflicting opinions, speculation. Well, this retail investor here, I'm not going to, I'm not a professional, not a financial advisor, but I know it's going over 50 cents plus. I think it's going to go to all-time highs and over $1 at some point. It's just a matter of time when. Are you willing to take the chance? There's risk, there's reward. It's just like with stocks. There's risk with everything. There's moderate risk, there's volatility, there's high risk, and the reward with crypto could be astounding while the bears start drowning. Okay? So there's a lot going on. There's a lot of things going on. Like as you can see today, there's the ETF, Bitcoin. There's just so much momentum that has been happening right now. And let's just see what happens around Christmas. I don't know. At the holidays, how's that going to play out? But going back to my point, if you guys are checking me out, going back to my point, my friend, this is my personal opinion, of course, says what's one of the things that's driving crypto up? I said, well, people are nervous about their money. We have super high inflation. The inflation, the other day I go to the store, right? Check this out. I go to the store and I'm like, oh, wow. I usually go to my aunt's house and I'll go to a bakery and I'll buy this little cake. It's really dope. It's got cannoli on top. It got chocolate. They got all kinds. And every time I buy that cake, it's $9.99. For the first time I go in there, and the last time I went was like 2.5 months ago when I bought the same cake, it went up 30%. It was $13 basically. That's a lot. That's a lot. I went to pump gas the other day. My gas was always $22, $23 to fill my tank, and it was like $30, $31 now. So I think a lot of people are seeing that. They're seeing how car prices are up, used car prices are up, gas is up. Yo, we are going through inflation right now like no tomorrow. So a lot of people are getting nervous with the US dollar. So cryptocurrency is probably going to go up a little more or a lot more because of that. So that's why I think one of the many things that is driving the crypto market up right now, inflation. That's just my personal opinion. So because the dollar is losing its power right now, it's definitely losing. I want to get this chart in front of me, get some facts up in front of me and read like how much things are going up. Right now it says United States dollar inflation overall is at this moment 5.4%. How high is that going to go? How much higher is that going to go? If and when it goes higher, don't be surprised when Bitcoin launches over 70,000 and you're going to see Doge at over 30 cents again and going up. Don't be surprised because people are getting nervous with their money, They're worried how much is a loaf of bread going up, that these are real concerns. People are worried. So cryptocurrency looks like a lot more attractive place to take their money and put their dollar into, where they get more for their dollar or whatever currency you're using in the world, your money. So yeah, I think that this is going to happen. But yeah, going back to that real quick, I'll say Marcel's sharing €80 for one tank. Damn. So okay, when I was in Europe, I didn't rent a car, so I really didn't know. That's a lot higher than it was, right? What was it before to fill a tank, Marcel, if you don't mind? Was it €60 or no? It probably was like what, €45? That's crazy. Marcel, $31. Yeah, good price. Yeah, for my little Kia. Well, it's not little, it's mid-sized, but could be driving a BMW or Mercedes, but I'm not. I think the money is safer parked in crypto in my stock. You know what I'm saying? My car works fine. I don't need that right now. But that's fine. So yeah, so the dollar's going through inflation in the world here, going through something, and as we're recovering, but the fact that we're having real world problems and people are paying a lot more for things with paper traditional currency, I think that's going to cause some panic, and some people, or just some, people get worried and they're going to be more likely to invest in crypto. We're going to see how that plays out. Around 60 euro. Yes. Okay. Interesting. I love holding those euros. When I was in Rome, they were so dope to hold. Maddie Extraordinaire indeed, with awesome hot dog with the mustard. Love the sticker always. Appreciate that. Thank you very much for that super chat. Hey Maddie, I did see you. I went on my latest live stream and looked in the comments. You were having a conversation about William Shatner in outer space. So I was trying to take my live stream here of CNBC and get it on screen with the ticker scrolling, and it won't let me do it. I have to get some type of screen sharing software to do this. If you know how to do this very easily with OBS, hit me up at Twitter, private message me and show me, because I can't get this to do. I paste it in and I can't do it. I'm a professional editor. I can do all this stuff and I just can't seem to get my setup here like I want it. So if you know how to just simply cut and paste, I got the live stream of CNBC in here and it won't go into my OBS because, I do have cable. I went in with my password and everything, and I could see it on the side as I'm talking to you all and hear it, but I can't get it on screen here. So Bitcoin looking super strong. Dogecoin looking super strong. We were in here not too long ago. Dogecoin was at 19 cents. And I said, I'm here. I believe it's going to go back up and I will own it, So maybe I will do a live stream later. Maybe, I'm not too sure. What's up? Yeah, go boldly where no man has gone before. Yeah. So Star Trek, William Shatner in outer space. Things are moving fast. We are already here with space tourism and stuff like that. Personally speaking, because I have it, so put that out there. I'm biased. I think Virgin Galactic is on sale. When you look at it 2 years from now, come talk to me. Because I think there's going to be a breakout moment. It's going to go over 50 and it's going to do wonderful things. I'm holding it. So yeah, that's another video for another day. I'm not the computer whiz. I hear that. It's something simple that I'm doing. Truth be told, I'm not putting enough time into hooking this up. I want to get on right now. I want to talk to you all, and I budget my time wisely because I do other things as well. I'm constantly working on things. So I gotta dedicate a certain amount of time. And when I come on here, it can be time consuming. So I want to come on right away, get my thoughts together, and talk about what's going on at the topic at hand, which is cryptocurrency. And I got Coinbase as well. And I did download the wallet, actually the Coinbase wallet. You can find me there at Space Donks. It says to help others find you in the community. When I downloaded this wallet, this is the Coinbase wallet. Space Donks. I got the name was available. Nobody took it. So let me just put that on if anyone wants to watch this in the future. I don't know how you would locate me on there, but it says if anyone wants to find you, at Space Donks at Coinbase. At Coinbase. I'm there. So, yeah, it was pretty cool that I got that the other day. And you can actually convert crypto there. I was checking that feature out. So that's pretty interesting. So at the end of the day, what's going on here, I believe there's a lot of companies. They're making it a lot more easier. Now we have an ETF coming out. We have other companies coming out that are super big like AMC and Starbucks. Someone made a point. I was reading about a bear. I forget their name, but they're pretty big in financial markets. They were saying that, so if Bitcoin and basically other cryptos except like Starbucks accepts them, it doesn't matter because people choose not to. But I don't think this person sees the future coming from another perspective like my perspective. My perspective is that they will be using crypto in the future in Starbucks and AMC and everywhere else worldwide at their favorite places. And I think money, like old money, is an old idea. I think that person was more closed-minded, in my opinion. They're entitled to their opinion, but I think that there's going to be a lot more people and a lot of young people for sure that grow up in a crypto world, and they're the people that are going to choose to. Right now, how could you choose to if most people don't have it? See, I'm thinking long term. So this person's talking like immediately, like right now, tomorrow, Starbucks or whatever starts accepting crypto. Most people aren't going to have Bitcoin and buy a latte with it. I'm talking about the future. The future especially with Dogecoin not being 60 plus thousand per coin. I think the future, even with Bitcoin, people will choose to. Plus, it will be easier. It will be so much easier. It'll be super fast. And you could be in Austria, wherever you go in the world. You could be anywhere. You could be in Puerto Rico and you go into a McDonald's or whatever, and you can utilize your crypto. That's the point. You know, a lot of these people are closed-minded individuals. They only know the old-time paper. They only know the paper money system. They're not thinking ahead. Or they're just hoping Bitcoin and other crypto don't go to the moon because they don't want to see that happen. They're against crypto like Warren Buffett, right? So, Dogecoin to the moon, Aiden TV in the building. Maddie says they will learn when Starbucks say the paper garbage isn't accepted here anymore. Yeah, well, the future is definitely going to be interesting, and I had a discussion at Starbucks recently with someone that worked there, and they said that we should be accepting crypto because they, you know, a youthful person, definitely a millennial, and they were talking with me and they were like, yeah, we should be accepting crypto. We can get our tips in crypto. We had a whole conversation. I got to get this conversation out here on the channel because I did record parts of it with their permission. So that's something coming up that I have to get out there. And yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Hopefully I can present that to you at first in a live stream. When I cut it together, I'll get that. I'll be sure to absolutely premiere that on this channel. What else is going on? So yeah, anyway, hey, thanks for the super chat, Samantha Mitchell. I appreciate that. And thank you for everyone who's come through to this channel, because I know there's a lot more bigger channels out there with a lot more community members probably scrolling, and it's more exciting to be in those rooms. But I appreciate you all that are loyal to this channel coming in here and chilling out with your boy Space Stonks. We will rise again. Dogecoin will be going up, and I'm telling you, the bears are going to throw up. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit 68,000, 65, 68, and go to 70. I can't wait. All-time highs. I'm going to be here, and I'm going to be an investor still. I'm not trying to sell. I'm willing to take that chance. Anyway, the taxes are astronomical, especially if you get a crypto and you sell in New York State. Especially if you're looking to swing trade things, you can say goodbye to half of that money. Taxes are crazy. So you want to hold. Well, I want to hold long term, even though I've sold some in the past and made other plays and put it somewhere else. So the taxes can be really high. Is it really worth it for a couple grand, $2-3 grand here or there? For me, I would just rather hold it right now and just ride this bad boy to the moon. I think it's going to go up. I think it's really going to happen. And let's look at the latest Dogecoin news before I get out of here, because you never know what's going to pop up. That's what's exciting about this Dogecoin news. I feel like Elon Musk, if he hasn't tweeted, it's funny, as I write this, Elon Musk tweet about extending life to Mars with Dogecoins gets mixed reaction. Okay. So Elon Musk has ruffled feathers yet again on Twitter. So he did something here. This time, the SpaceX CEO decided to talk about extended human life to Mars in reply to another tweet. Known cryptocurrency influencer and YouTuber Matt Wallace tweeted on Saturday, Elon Musk, with a net worth equal to 861 billion Dogecoin. That's ridiculous. Is now richer than Bill Gates and Warren Buffett combined. Basically, Elon Musk tweeted a response to this guy, right? This influencer. Elon Musk, with a net worth equal to 861 billion Dogecoin, is now richer than Bill Gates and Warren Buffett combined. Elon Musk replied, hopefully enough to extend life on Mars. So very excited about seeing, he replied, humans on Mars. Have no doubt you will make it happen. And then it's get mixed reactions, whatever. The whole point is we're going to outer space. Things are going to happen. It's going to start small with space stations, as we already see this happening. Space stations that can be occupied, of course, by the super rich and super famous, that they can afford to stay a hotel night in outer space. They can get their little room. I don't know if it's going to be the most comfortable quarters, but it's definitely doable now as we see astronauts in outer space for an extended period of time. So the next step, logically, we're already visiting Amazon Bezos, like we seen William Shatner the other day. The next step is we're going to be in outer space on small space stations, aka hotel rooms, if you will, and they're going to charge millions, of course, and there's going to be people out there that are going. So we're definitely making that the next step here in the evolution of space travel and tourism. So buckle up and get ready. That's going to happen. And it would be awesome if Dogecoin is utilized in those transactions. And that's why Doge 1 going to outer space is really important. Introducing crypto to outer space. Dope. Really good stuff. I am back. I had to eat. Sorry, I got ghosted. No doubt. No problem, Maxell. Actually, when it was trickling down to like one person in the room, I was about to be out of here. No lie. I was like, okay, this would be good on a replay. I'm good, Aided TV. I'm really good. But I definitely got to, I'm in the midst of editing a project, working on something right now. And, you know, it's really good stuff. Has to do with independent film, stuff like this. But it's really cool stuff. So I got to get back to work on that. So I don't know if later on I'm going to be able to actually get on here and do a live stream, but I probably, maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Samantha Mitchell, again, thanks for the super chat, Maddie Extraordinaire. I appreciate the love right there. It's your boy Space Donks. We are rallying, everyone. I want to be transparent in this repeat live stream. I want to be transparent. I'm going to go through some of my live streams where I did predict that Bitcoin and Dogecoin and we would get some type of a fall rally 2021 because I predicted it. So I want to get specific with some of my titles. So maybe I'm going to change a few, maybe 2 or 3 of my titles. I don't, you know, it's very hard. I do so much talking in those live streams. Sometimes they're 2 hours, but I want to retitle them like fall prediction. I did one video already. As I'm talking to you, I'm doing a fall prediction to 2021 crypto rally, because in those live streams, let me type this in. I predicted that this would happen, so I'm going to title them. So if people go through my channel, they find my channel and they're new to it here, they would be more likely to click on those videos and go, oh, okay, that actually happened. He was right about that. I think it's really good, because why not? I called it, so why not write it in the title? I was putting rally, Bitcoin. I did my predictions. 2023, Bitcoin over 100,000. I got that all in there. Some other people that are very professional analysts and influencers, they're saying that Bitcoin, I forget his name, but he was saying that Bitcoin would be at the end of December 2021, 250,000 for Bitcoin. I said, no, that's not going to happen. As much as I would like that to happen, that's not happening. I disagree. And here I am, a retail investor like you. See, the apes know something. We know something. Low roller scratcher Dogecoin reached 26 cents early this morning. Yes, I went over that. Yes, at 5 a.m. I was sleeping. I was dreaming about the space station. No, I'm playing. I was definitely in a dream. So, yeah, it did. So as Bitcoin pops up 60, let's hope we get to 63. We could push to 64, and we will see Dogecoin begin to soar more and get to the 30 mark. We're going to have to be patient. Patience. Everybody wants their Dogecoin to go up, like myself, that are holding. Others have to hold. It's simple as that. HODL, and there'll be more buyers. More buyers got to come in, because if you sell and you see where it at, think about all the people that did actually sell. They watched Dogecoin hover around 19-20 cents for a while, and they sold. What are we linking, Maddie Extraordinaire? I'm going to check that out on a side screen here. Other YouTubers. Yeah, I don't even know why I can't even paste that in. Anyway. Yeah, hey, your boy needs some love right here on this channel. I don't really promote this channel anywhere, truth be told. I gotta keep reminding myself that I'm really not in it for the views on this channel. I'm really not in it for that. So I gotta keep reminding myself about that. That's not important. That's not why I started this channel, for views and stuff like this. I just want to come on here, have a good time with my fellow investors, and speculate, and then look at facts and talk about what we think the future's going with our investments. And that's what it's about. The community here is about. So, no crypto later, man. What's that, Maxell? I'm buffering? Okay, this is why the connection's bad. It's the location. Thanks for letting me know that. My internet is not as strong where I'm relocating right now, unfortunately. Sorry about that. So, that's probably definitely affecting. Hey, can I get 30 likes at least before we get out of here? I'm sorry that the connection is not that strong here. Maddie, some good advice, I believe. Okay, definitely always up for good advice. Why not, right? Why not? I keep buffering. Your ticker's not moving. Yeah, it's moving on my screen. It's just slowed up right now from my location here at Space Donks headquarters in New York. It's your boy Space Donks. Once again, I would like to thank Maddie /extraordinaire indeed for super chat. Samantha Mitchell, as always, I appreciate the love you have shown this channel. Super. I just want to say, Alan Chi-Town, if you watch this on a replay, thanks for all the support, my man, and everybody else that has supported to this channel. Because I go through the super chats and I see constant names that are like the same. There's some very awesome people that are beneficiaries of this channel that have definitely supported the channel, and I really appreciate it very much. Restart my stream. Yeah, I see it. It's telling me it's. You know what? I'm gonna be honest. It's my location. It's definitely the where I'm located right now. It's my location that I have a low. I'm away from the modem. I'm far away, so I'm not. I'm on a computer here. I'm on the laptop. So that's why I'm having issues today. But I wanted to do this. I wasn't gonna do this. Maybe if I cut one of the streaming show that I have on in the background, I'm gonna cut that off. Maybe it'll sound better. And yeah, so let me know if that helps. I just cut something off. Maybe that will help. So yeah, we're having a little technical difficulty sometimes, but that's a part of being live, right? Upshot, Matt Low Roller Scratcher says Upshot came back on Friday the same day Upshot YouTube channel got banned. I don't even know who that is. Can I tell you that? I don't even know who that is. This is how much I'm watching other YouTube financial channels, right? I'm really not watching them. I didn't even know. I thought for a minute Upshot was a new crypto or something when you started writing that. So what happens is the robot has been banning a lot of people, right? They've been banning massive people. It sounds vaguely familiar, Upshot. It was wait, hold up. Was that the scam guy? Is that who we're talking about? The guy that created? I'm not saying, by the way, hey, listen, I don't know anything. I'm not a alleged scam person. I don't know who this person is. I've only heard from you in the community what you guys write on screen. I am not accusing anybody of anything. I don't know this person. I don't watch this person. I don't sell anything. I've been keeping it real as possible. I even made the merch store. I do sell that, but I don't sell any courses or anything like that. I got a merch store because people ask for it, and I don't even promote that. As you know, I don't promote that. All I do is come on here with my wonderful community, and we talk about what's going on. That's what it's all about for me. It's not about being on my screenshot with my mouth wide open with arrows telling you that Amazon is accepting Dogecoin tomorrow to get you guys to watch the video. I don't care. I'm not trying to deceive and do that. Samantha Mitchell with a super duper chat. Appreciate that. We appreciate all that you do, Space Donks. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Samantha. Thank you for that love and that generosity and positivity and the awesome unity in this community you have shown. I hope you could hear the horn. I gotta play that back. Thank you. That definitely will go towards working on this channel. And don't forget, I got something planned. I'm still trying to. It's gonna be fun. The Halloween special. I have to do. I have to do it. Thank you very much. 1977. What a super chat. I appreciate that. 1977. LWA all the way. Appreciate that right there. Thank you very much. I appreciate that love right there. It would be awesome with crypto if we could donate to creators of crypto. So I heard about that someone did something absolutely in a financial space or with anything else. Thank you for being here. Love the shades, by the way. 1977, love it. So definitely there's going to be nefarious individuals. That's one of the reasons why I don't watch from the get-go. I would click on them once in a while to see what they're talking about, but I try to go the professional ones, in quotes, like on YouTube, like CNBC on YouTube, just to see what they're saying. I'm not accusing anyone of anything, but there's definitely in the space of, I guess, financials and gambling and stuff like that, there will be questionable activity. Not hard to believe that people will, and that it's been reported in the gaming community as well. People were scamming somehow, selling whatever things or making people. So I've read things that people were terminated for doing nefarious things like with gaming in the gaming community. Hopefully it's few and far between. Sorry about the tickers coming back up. Unfortunately, that's why they always say, do your due diligence. And my mind is just not wired like that. I don't even, you have to have a certain type of personality to do stuff like that. I don't have that personality. I'm glad I have a moral compass. Hey, if, like I always said before, if I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but if I'm saying if my favorite YouTuber starts a cryptocurrency tomorrow, whoever that YouTuber is, I'm going to be running for the hills. That's just my instinct. I'm a New Yorker, I'm very skeptical. So, you know what I mean? Hey guys, I'm starting Dogecoin Crypto tomorrow. And you can get in now. Run for head for the hills and don't look back. There's something very wrong with that. Hey everybody, I'm going to start my course tomorrow. I'm not saying anyone that has it. I'm sure there's legit people with great courses out there, but for me, if I'm going to come out tomorrow, I have a course tomorrow. It's only $500. Get it now before it's too late. Run. If you see me doing that, run for the hills. Don't ever come back here on this channel. That's not a good thing if I'm doing that. So yeah. I am a retail investor. I'm checking out things. I'm investing. I'm doing my own research. I'm giving my thoughts, my ideas, my opinions on things, and I'm sharing my crypto experiences with you, like when I bought Dogecoin under a penny, and that's what it's all about. Hanging out with some fellow retail investors, having a good time, looking at the charts, doing our own analysis. Nothing wrong with any of that. All good, fair play. But yeah, I can't speak for others, but I've read some things that you've all shared with me here about other influencers and people out there just doing some shady stuff. You will find it. I watch American Greed, so I know what's up. People just coming up with all types of scams and shams and nefarious business to separate you from your hard-earned money. To get our money, Hey, invest in this new crypto. There was one, I saw the American Greed episode. One woman, she started her own crypto, right? Something like that. She's I think in jail now. She was like really just stealing. It was a scam. Chance Holden, what's up? Hey, Space Stonks, do you own any crypto miner stocks? No, I don't. Thanks for asking. I don't. I have a lot of stocks. I'd have to go through them. I think I don't. If you want to know some stocks I own, I could run that off for you, but maybe not in this video. I don't know if everybody would be interested. I could run that off in a video. I could open up my portfolio, start going through one of my portfolios and sharing the stocks I own. A lot of you who listen to me a lot, I own Apple already. I own Starbucks. I own Bombardier, a little aeronautics company out of Canada, which is awesome. I own that. It's a penny stock, so I got a good average on it. It's climbing. It's up for me. So, I could share that with you in another video. Since we're talking about crypto, people are probably coming in here and want to hear me talk about Dogecoin and Bitcoin and everything else. So that's why I'm trying to stick on that. Thanks for the updates, Jawad. No doubt. What's up? How are you? No problem. So yeah, I think, hey, if you ask my humble opinion, I think Dogecoin is going to explode long term, not erode. I think we're going on to the next episode. I think that things are looking good. I think, look at this. Yes, I'm aware that Bitcoin can do a flip-flop. Yes, it happens. Bitcoin, I've held it through all the way down to 28,000, 29,000 twice this summer. It touched the 20s, right? If I'm not mistaken. All the way back up to my average, 42,000. If you want to know my position, my Bitcoin average is 42,000 per coin. I held through all that volatility. I didn't play any swing trading game with it. More power to you if you did. I hold it. It's easier for me long term to just hold on to it, baby. If I do make a play and sell my Bitcoin, I will tell you. In Dogecoin, I will tell you what I did with it, what I rolled over it into. Why not? Why do I have to hide, right? Why not? So this is already public on my portfolio, my public portfolio that we talk about here. That's the fun of this channel. That's the part of the fun. It's exciting. AMC all the way, still holding AMC. My average is, I'll look at it right now, Maddie, if you want to know. I could put it on screen. My average is on AMC. I am an ape, and I did have it earlier than this, but I sold it. I have AMC long now. I'm holding this. I've decided. I've come to the decision at $22.13. Oh, no, shocker. I made a video buying it. You've all seen that. I bought AMC at $22, and I made a video when I did it, and I gave you my reasons why I thought it was going to explode up to where it is, and I also shared what I like to believe was realistic information that we're not going to go to 100,000 and all that. I believe that was just a tactic to get more people to buy it, you know, because the truth be told, a lot of people, they've never traded in their life, and they looked at game. I'm very bullish. I'm an AMC ape. I want to see it thrive. I have a friend, I told you, in upper management. So I'm not going to sit here and say, hey, AMC is going to 200,000. If it was a crypto or something, I could say that. This is not going to happen. I said, this is realistic. This is why I'm getting it. I support this movement. I even called AMC in July and requested crypto, accept the crypto payment, specifically Doge. You know the story. If you're here for the first time, this is all here in the videos. It's all true. So why should I get up here and just start lying to myself and talking about, oh, AMC is going to be 100,000? That's a lie. It's never going to be. It's not going to be 80,000. This is all lies. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to lie to people, because that, you know, and it's to disappear, make the ad revenue or whatever, and disappeared. 2-3 years from now, the channel's gone. Here, this guy's lying. You see, I got to live with this stuff, you know. So I'm just talking what I believe in. What I believe in, you know, was crypto is a different story. Crypto's crazy. Crypto could be astronomical. That truly, any crypto, really, especially the ones we've talked about so much, could seriously go to the moon. I mean, you have Kathy Wood telling you Bitcoin will go probably to a few million per coin, right? You know, this is crypto. It behaves differently. It's not a stock. You know, AMC. I love AMC. I love films. Like I said, I know people that work at AMC, a person specifically, upper management. I know, and by the way, if you're here for the first time, I'm going to repeat it again. I know this isn't an AMC video, but it's a crypto. It has to do with crypto. Again, a legit source, I believe, telling me Bitcoin end of 2022, they're working on it right now, AMC. Accepting it straight up, not like a gift card, like straight up all out. Like you can go buy tickets anywhere at any time with your Bitcoin, and doing that first. So remember, you heard that here first. I'm not even making this. I'm not making nonsense up. This is a legit person, you know, that I know that works in upper management. This is not one store. So yeah, unfortunately, you know, I should actually ask them. I should ask, hey, can you like come on the channel and I can talk to you about? Would you be interested in hearing something like that? Like an interview real quick, or me talking to this person? I think they could do it without getting in trouble. I'd have to ask them. I don't know if that's like secretive stuff or whatever from within corporate, but that's the word I got. But I gave the reasons why I think AMC and crypto and all of that stuff, I think it's going to go down like that. This is not an interview channel per se, but it'll be like, you know, I'd be like, hey, are you interested in talking about this? But basically, they're going to tell you what I just said. They didn't give me like data and details. They just said 2022 by the end of it, Bitcoin, AMC, all the way. Yep. So I was like, No surprise. It's about time, because I was predicting a lot of these businesses earlier this year. I've been saying it all along on this channel. By 2023, it should be the beginning of crypto acceptance worldwide. Like in a lot of these famous big companies, it should be happening. Right? It should be all clicking in. Okay, I get it. No big deal. Okay, we accept Bitcoin. Okay, wherever you go, wherever your store is. Okay, Zara and the mall. Okay, they accept Bitcoin straight up. Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secrets, Foot Locker, Walmart, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. That's where we're going. So that financial analysis, with the analyst, the big one that I was reading the other day, where was that article? They're not going to be choosing to use Starbucks. It was in one of these articles. This person came out and said that they're not going to be choosing to use it. That's BS. I'm not buying that nonsense. I just think that's a ploy, possibly too, because they're shorting crypto. I just, you can only do your due diligence and follow the charts. And, anything could happen. But I really have a belief that we're going to be really good in a good space in the future with our cryptocurrencies. Now, some of the new ones, I can't speak for that. Those to me are a lot like going to roulette table, red or black, going to a casino. I'm talking about the new cryptos that are coming out constantly. Hey, there's a new crypto called Max L. There's another one called Mars Water. Yo, let me put 1,000 on that, hold it and see if it goes up real quick. Try to go to someone that has a channel on YouTube yapping about that, pumping it, and hopefully it will go up. That's like, for me, that's more of like gambling straight out. I'd rather invest in something more, stable or more well-known. That being said, Shiba Inu, I would grab that. Not too much, for me. Lunch money. So, So Patrick, what's up? I'm missing some of the conversation here. Sorry, I went off and just started talking. Good luck with that. There's like 12K of them, and 1K of them are meme Doge knockoffs. There you go. Talking about all the cryptos out there, right? I won't sell any to keep them all for myself. Max knows what's up with Dogecoin, though. Max is the only person that I know that got wedding bands with the D on the wedding band, which was so amazing to see. That was hot. Those rings are hot, Max. I'll never forget that. I got the photo. So, yeah. If you don't know, Max L, he hit me up and he let me know. Like, look, check out my wedding bands. By the way, that's coming up, right? Max L, you got a wedding planned, right? How's that going, Max? If you want to share. You've already talked about this publicly. I know what's up. Congratulations and cheers to you. Let me know. Keep that wallet hidden, Max L. That's right, December 10th. Okay, is my wedding. Yeah, you'll remind us. That's amazing. I would love to be in Europe. I was invited to a winter wedding in Europe. It was a destination wedding, of course. Before, it was a couple years ago, before what happened in March 2020. I couldn't go. It's just too much to go, But yeah, that would be amazing. Gonna be a party, definitely. Is DJ Dogecoin coming? Yeah, so overall, I think we're in a really good place here. It looks like Bitcoin is stabilized. Right here, it's staying really good. It's healthy. We're going to see wild swings come. Like I said earlier, I think a lot of this is from the inflation fears. I could be wrong, obviously, but what else is pumping crypto? There's just a lot of things going on. We got the ETF, a Bitcoin ETF is almost here. What does that mean for investors? That's going to be exciting. So some people said, oh, the ETF's going to hurt it. Others are saying it's good for it. Follow your gut. Follow your instinct on that. It's crazy, though, how a lot of finance channels specifically were hit. Like, I know when there's a really big finance channel and it gets flagged and it goes down, I know it'll be back up the next day if they're well known, because they're not doing anything wrong. They're just basically doing what I'm doing. They're talking about stonks, which is harmless. They're doing analysis, they're giving their opinions, and of course those channels can exist on YouTube. They're not breaking any terms, those channels. So that's why they go back up real quick. But like I said, a small channel like this with no friends in a financial community, it would be a wrap. Unless you all tweeted at YouTube, but hopefully that doesn't happen. I don't think it will, because there's not enough activity going on this channel. You know, it's usually the ones that get a lot of attention real quick, and they go down for whatever reason, and then they go back up. So it's really interesting. I think YouTube's working on that. They're fixing it. Their AI, their artificial intelligence, is flagging these channels. It's unjust, and then they're fixing it real quick when they realize there's no community toss terms being broken from their agreement. So yeah, so everybody, thanks a lot. Let me just give thanks again. Samantha Mitchell, 1977 LWA, Maddie Extraordinaire / Indeed with much speed. Thank you for the super chat sticker. If you're out there, I really appreciate the super chats. I went on for a good hour here. I really do have to get back to other work, everyone. And it's funny, every time I try to leave, I feel like the views go up. Like more people come in the room. I'm trying to get out of here, and I'm like, I start to be like, oh, more people are coming. Do I need to? Well, you can always rewind. You can always rewind. I don't think there's any ads showing up in the live streams when I'm doing them, right? They come after, so that really obstruct people from watching the videos. Because then during the live streams, maybe I should just turn the ads off, if that's gonna frustrate people from coming in live. You know, they see a commercial and or they could just hit skip. So why not? So D-Day, December 10th. December 10th. So everyone is going to give congratulations to you when that comes. Just say you leave the whole stream. Just leave it. I'll let the stream go, and then the tickers will freeze and I won't be here. Enjoy the rest of your day. You too, Samantha. Thank you very much for the support. That guy says you could pay $10 a month for premium and have no ads ever. There you go. There you go. Some people are definitely doing that. YouTube Red, right? So, hey, nice to know. Thanks for the input. Yeah, YouTube is doing its thing. As long as they keep supporting creators and allowing us, creators like myself, to thrive and grow, that's a good thing. So, this video is brought to you by YouTube today. Just YouTube. Oh, that's great. Patrick McGinnis. What's an ad? I have 2 premium. There you go. So, all right, everybody. Thank you once again. I'll be back with another video. And I got those Doge. I got to do another Doge trailer. I know I always talk about it. It's been months. But maybe I should leave off with trailer 1. The first Dogecoin trailer that started it all. Maybe I should play that. Maybe it's going to lag. Let's try it.
Rumors about something being dug up on the moon.
There's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. I think there's like an argument, like fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome is the most, like what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency. To the moon.
Now I'm interested in Dogecoin.
Dogecoin. The weird part about it went from being a cryptocurrency joke to now becoming something that's becoming a digital currency. 2 years ago, people started talking about the meme online, started buying it, and the value has gone up incredibly.
Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. Fate loves irony.
It seems like it's just going to keep going up and up.
The most entertaining outcome is the most, like what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency.